own flip, so she take her own trip. She got her own swag, she buy her own bag. And when she hit the mall, man, she pop her own tag. And she